Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am so excited to announce that my second book is now available. The Crystal Wisdom of Colors, Unveiling the Healing Colors of Gemstones, is a follow-up to my first book, Crystal Wisdom, Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change. This second book about colors, it has been a passion project in the works for quite a long time, as I discovered during my life that the colors that I'm attracted to in my crystal collection and in my life said a lot about what I needed most in life at that time. And I share this practice with you in this book, which is in full color, by the way, so that you can really immerse yourself in the experience of each color. I'll talk about the influence that colors have on us throughout our lives. I'll talk about color psychology, color therapy, and the energy system, and how we take in colors that influences our mood, our emotions, and our bodies. Then I'll talk about how you can incorporate the crystal wisdom practice into a color crystal practice. Then I talk in depth about 13 different color families and the supportive benefits that they provide to you. I'll include a list of symptoms that indicate that you might need more of that color, a list of gemstones in that color family, and a crystal practice to help you tap into those qualities of that color family. Your favorite colors have a lot to say to you, and you can cultivate certain qualities in your life by surrounding yourself with that particular color. Perhaps you're attracted to green. You enjoy green gemstones, you wear green clothing, you utilize green in your home decor, or just generally buy things that are green. It indicates that you might need some healing in an area of your life. If you're attracted to pink, again, you dress in pink, you surround yourself with pink, you're drawn to pink crystals. This indicates that you need to look at love in your life. Are you looking to attract more love, to give more love, to heal from love? If you're attracted to blue and dark blue gemstones, that's an indication that you're seeking to let out your authentic self. You're seeking the truth within. You are hoping to communicate your own truth to the world. Or clear, which is a color that I talk about in the book. This is a color that indicates you need to pay some attention to your energetic body, to your aura, and the energetic self within your physical body. And I talk about 13 different colors and what they may be trying to tell you. So if you're really interested in learning how to read your color preferences and how they can guide you in life, help you initiate life change, and really help you cultivate positive, supportive qualities in your life, then please do check out my book. I'll put a link to it in the description box below and in the eye above, and I really hope that you enjoy this because I am so excited to share it with you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon.